Hey people, I can't recommend this place enough, and this gentleman, his name is Surendra. He's so encouraging. So any of y'all in Hyderabad, if y'all visit the Botanical Gardens, y'all should necessarily try this out, because they are very considerate, very kind while helping us, because most of us have fear of heights and but my child, it's Ayush is comfortable, right? Yes, it's like I'm so glad my child is here, and we actually even were on that. My kid is so happy. I just want to continue recording this video because it feels so good. They have a count of 30, and I don't know how many rounds this child has finished, but Ayush, you're very much on the ground only, Re. That's it. It's a 1-minute video.